Okay, so let's see the telophase. Okay, and whenever we find the word that is telo, what is the meaning of the telo? Telo mane kana? Telo means hoche end. Okay, and this is the end phase. This is the end phase of mitotic karyokinesis. Okay, न्यूक्लियस रो डिवीजन रो एंड फेज होचे हमर काना दैट इज योर टेलोफेज रे तो इन हमर एंड होचे तो काना काना इन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स फीचर्स देखबार के मिलचे टेलोफेज रे देन क्रोमोसोम माने मूव करबार स्टार्ट करथिले अनाफेज रे से क्रोमोसोम माने मूव करी करी काना करले दे आर फाइनली रीच टू द ऑपोजिट पोल्स हियर व्हाट विल हैपन द क्रोमोसोम्स फाइनली reach at opposite poles. Okay, suppose this is the cell, then here there will be presence of our chromosome. So these are suppose chromosome. Now these chromosome are now at the poles. Okay, these are suppose chromosome. Now all these chromosome they reach to the pole. This is one pole and this is another pole. Okay. Now here in case of your telophase, what is occurring here? The chromosome will start decondensation. Chromosome start decondensation. Decondensation means what? As you know that condensation means coiling of the DNA. Condensation means coiling and recoiling of DNA. But decondensation, that is opposite to condensation. That is opposite to condensation. This is opposite to condensation. Means here what will happen? The chromosome is now converted into your chromatins. Here what will happen? The chromosomes that loosen off and that will convert it into our chromatins again. Again what will happen in the during the time of your cell division and metaphase जेतेबेले देखुतला हमर क्रोमोसोम टा केन कंडीशन रे देखबार के मिलतला रॉड शेप कंडीशन रे देखबार के मिलतला इन द मेटाफेज रे ओके बट अनाफेज रे जेतेले देखु जो अनाफेज जेतेबेले एंड होचा अनाफेज एंड होला परे इनो हमर गुटे क्रोमाटिड अछि इनो गुटे हमर क्रोमाटिड अछि ओके इधर भीतर काना प्रेजेंट अछि हियर देयर इज प्रेजेंस ऑफ आवर डीएनए. Here there is presence of the DNA and that DNA undergoes packaging or coiling and recoiling and they are making this rod shape structure. But that rod shape structure that is again converted into the thread like structure where there will be only presence of the DNA and the chromatin. Here again they are converting into the thread structure and that straight thread structure that are called as your chromatin. So this chromosome undergoes decondensation process. And after decondensation process what will happen? The DNA will open up. Here the DNA will open up. DNA that open up. And due to open off of the DNA that is now converting into your chromatin and that chromatin is now having the DNA and histone protein and that become thread shape, that become thread like structure. Okay, in the prophase this process of condensation start hitila amar prophase re but condensation ro ulta process hoche kete bele jetebela last stage asi जाउचे amar cell division ro जेंडा एक कहूँ आम टेलोफेज बोलिकी तो टेलोफेज ये हमर डिकंडेंसेशन होचे and now every chromosome or every chromatin will not appear individually. ओके जेहेतु आमर रड शेप स्ट्रक्चर थिला तो आमे कम एरिया भितर स्ट्रक्चर टा विड्थ बढ़ी जाउतला बट तार लेंथ टा काना होतला कमी जाउतला जेहेतु लेंथ टा कमी जाउतला तो आमे काना होतला डिफरेंट क्रोमोसोम के डिफरेंट एरिया रे आमे समान को देखि पारुतला माने प्रॉपर्ली समान को रीड करी होतला प्रॉपर्ली समान को देखि होतला जेतेला रड शेप स्ट्रक्चर थिला बट जेते बेले से डिकंडेंसेशन करवा स्टार्ट हो गला सो दैट व्हाट विल हैपन द क्रोमोसोम आर विल बी इन द थ्रेड शेप so that these thread are just these are the thread like structures of the chromatin. So here we can't distinguish which chromosome or which chromatin. Now we can't distinguish them so that the chromatin will not appear individually. एकला कैसे chromatin है present जानी ने पारु हमें presence तक सेटा कहूचे जे now every chromatin will not appear individually and chromatin fiber will appear in each pole. Here now the chromosome is converted into your chromatin fiber. So now that is in chromatin fiber condition in each pole. दुही पोल रही है chromatin fiber condition रे देखबार के मिलबा आपको and our nucleolus रो disappearance से जेथिला and से nucleolus रो formation of a start of a stage रे stage रे हमर again काना होसे there will be formation of the nucleolus. And nucleolus के फॉर्मेशन से हमें जाने छो दैट इज फॉर्म फ्रॉम द सैटेलाइट क्रोमोसोम जेन क्रोमोसोम रे गोटे एक्स्ट्रा कंस्ट्रिक्टेड रीजन थी जेनता कि क्रोमोसोम रे हमर एक्स्ट्रा कंस्ट्रिक्टेड रीजन थिला इरा मनकर क्रोमोसोम हैला तो एक्स्ट्रा कंस्ट्रिक्टेड रीजन जेनता कि कहउछु सैटेलाइट बोलिकरी कहउछु और सेट क्रोमोसोम बोलिकरी कहउछु से पार्ट रो हमर काना फॉर्मेशन हेसी न्यूक्लियोलस रो फॉर्मेशन हेसी तो इनो फिर न्यूक्लियोलस दुई साइड रो फॉर्मेशन हमाटा स्टार्ट है जोचे and nucleolus is appear in this stage. So this is your nucleolus and nucleolus appear in this stage. Okay, and the endoplasmic reticulum as well as the Golgi bodies that are appear in this stage also. Okay, before this division, so here okay, let me make another whiteboard. Okay, the reformation of endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi bodies, these are again formed here. Endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi bodies किसी cell organelle disappear कर जाते in the last few phases, and in telophase this process which are occurring here that is just opposite to the prophase. Okay, the telophase रे जन process माना होचे telophase रे जन से भी process होचे that is opposite to prophase because prophase रे हमर काना हितला prophase जते बेले देखुचो prophase रे हमर condensation हितला prophase रे हमर condensation हितला DNA रो but इन काना होचे decondensation होचे इन हमर decondensation होचे प्रोफेज रे हमर एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम गोल्गी बॉडी जे मनकर अपीयरेंस नै थई बट इनो फिर अपीयर करूचे एंड इन हमर काना होचे हमर जन एस्ट्रल रेज और स्पिंडल फाइबर जन फॉर्मेशन हेतला कंप्लीटली डिसइंटीग्रेट करे जाउसन द एस्ट्रल रेज एंड स्पिंडल फाइबर completely disintegrate and suppose this is the cell, here in this end there is presence of one centrosome, and here there is presence of your centrosome, and that centrosome bear what? That centrosome bear your centrioles. So here there is formation of your astral rays, but these astral rays, these are the astral rays, and these astral rays that are disappear in this stage. What happened? These astral rays, they disappear completely, they disintegrate. Okay, so that is the disappearance. Suppose these are the astral rays that form before your telophase, and during anaphase they will be present. But in this page, what happened? In this page, these astral rays, they disappear. These astral rays, they disappear, or they disintegrate, or the spindle fiber which are formed earlier, that spindle fiber also get disappear in this stage. Okay, and on both ends there will be formation of daughter cell, and the nuclear membrane again form around this chromatin. Suppose these are the chromatins here in this pole, and here in this pole there is presence of chromatin. These are suppose chromatins. Around this chromatin again there is formation of your nuclear membrane. So there will be formation of the nuclear membrane, and now there will be our nucleolus inside them. Okay, and now here this part, that is the nucleoplasm, as the membrane is formed around the chromatin, so that what happened here, some liquid materials are present. This is your nucleoplasm. Now there will be formation of two daughter nuclei. These two nuclei which are formed here, these are called as daughter nuclei. Okay, here there is formation of two daughter nuclei. Okay, two daughter nuclei are formed on both the ends. Okay, so this is our motto, or this is our aim of your karyokinesis, and we know that karyokinesis means that is the division of the nucleus. Karyokinesis, that is the division of nucleus. And here in this end of this telophase there will be formation of nucleus, and that nucleus is now present in both the end or both the pole. Okay, and both the pole there is now presence of daughter nuclei. This is one daughter nuclei, this is another daughter nuclei. So this is the end of your telophase, and after karyokinesis there will be the karyokinesis will followed by your cytokinesis. Karyokinesis pore kana haba amar cytokinesis haba. So again let's see here kana changes hala telophase re. Karyokinesis ro end phase को जो telophase and chromosome टा फाइनली प्रेजेंट अच्छे पोल रे, एंड पोल रे प्रेजेंट अच्छे तापर से काना होचे डिकंडेंसेशन होचे, क्रोमोसोम टा कन्वर्ट होचे क्रोमाटिन निके, जेन कॉइलिंग हेतला से कॉइलिंग टा खुली जेकरी से कन्वर्ट होचे केन के क्रोमाटिन निके, एंड क्रोमाटिन रे जाने छु कानाते से डीएनए और हिस्टोन प्रोटीन प्रेजेंट से तापरे एवरी क्रोमाटिन विल नॉट अपियर इंडिविजुअली. यह जेहेतु थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्मेशन हो गला तो हमें प्रॉपर्ली डिस्टिंग्विश करने पर केनटा केन क्रोमोसोम है. सो एटा कहले जे कैंसी क्रोमाटिन विल नॉट अपियर इंडिविजुअली, अलग अलग हमें जदी स्टडी करबा लागि चाहे हम आई स्टेज रे स्टडी करी नै पारो. न्यूक्लियोलस टा डिसअपियर कर जेतला, एंड न्यूक्लियोलस टा अगेन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्टार्ट हला इन दिस टेलोफेज. ओके, एंड एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. सो दीज आर द एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम, these are endoplasmic reticulum, the membranous structure. These are the endoplasmic reticulum again form in this telophase, as well as the Golgi bodies are also formed in this stage. Suppose these are endoplasmic reticulum and these are the Golgi bodies. These Golgi bodies are also formed in this stage. These are Golgi bodies, and this is these are our endoplasmic reticulum. So these substances are formed in this stage. Okay, so all this process that is taking place in the cytoplasm, but after formation of two daughter nuclei, these two daughter nuclei should separate from each other, but now both these nuclei are present in the same cytoplasm. Okay, here both the nuclei or this daughter nuclei are present in the same cytoplasm. Okay, now they are present in the same cytoplasm, but these cytoplasm should divide, that should divide. So that we will get that processes of division of the cytoplasm is called as your cytokinesis, and due to the division of that cytoplasm we will get the two daughter cells. After the process, then we will get the two daughter cell. ओके टिल टाइम आमे काना पाइछो दुईटा न्यूक्लियस पाइछो दुईटा सेल नुहे पाउतली तो दुईटा सेल पाइबार लगी हेले हमको काना करा पड़बा है सेल के करा पड़बा साइटोकाइनेसिस प्रोसेस. ओके सो लेट्स सी द साइटोकाइनेसिस इन केस ऑफ योर plant cell and in case of your animal cell. Now cytokinesis, that is your division of cytoplasm. Okay, so the cytokinesis, it may occur in two methods. Okay, duita method rahuche. One is your cell foro method and another one is cell plate method. One method, that is cell foro method, and another one, that is the cell plate method. Duita method rahuche cell division, and this cell foro method, that is found in case of our animal cell. This is in animal cell, and the cell plate method, that is in case of our plant cell. Plant cell rahuche our cell plate method and cell foro method rahuche animal cell re. तो जी सेल फोरो मेथड जी देखो छु काना होउछ, लेट्स सी हियर. Let's see the cell foro method. Okay, foro ro माने काना, foro means constriction. प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन रो काना हवा कंस्ट्रिक्शन हवा और प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन रो इनग्रो हवा. जदि हमर एटा गोटे सेल हला, ओके सेल रे हमर काना छे दुईटा न्यूक्लियस फॉर्मेशन है सारी छे. दिस इज वन न्यूक्लियस, this is another nucleus, and here there is presence of the chromatin material. Okay, and there is presence of our nucleolus, and here on the both side there is presence of our centriole, and these are supposed centriole. So now what will happen here? The plasma membrane have microfibrils, sorry, that is your microfilaments. Here there is presence of your microfilaments. Okay, on the plasma membrane there is presence of microfilaments, and these microfilaments that are elastic in nature, or they shows contraction, elastic or they shows contraction. And what happen when this microfibril contract inside, जेतेबेले microfibril रो contraction होचे, it will bring this plasma membrane to क्या करबा, plasma membrane के भी से contract होवाटा start करबा. So let's see here. The plasma membrane also shows contraction or that infoldings or ingrow, that is due to the contraction of the microfilaments. So these are the microfilaments. These are the cytoskeleton. Okay, these are also made up of your proteins. So when this contraction go on increase, and from the both side the plasma membrane is going to meet, and here in this side there will be presence of our one nucleus, this is another nucleus, and here there will be presence of our chromatin material, and there will be one nucleolus, and here also one nucleolus. There will be centrosome, and here also there will be centrosome. Okay, next this contraction will go on increase. They will meet at a point. Both this membrane, they will meet from the both sides to the membrane will go on contraction, and they will meet at a point, and point at which they will meet. From that meeting point, they will get separated from the other cell. So this will be your new nucleus. This is the new nucleus, and here from this part both will get separate here. So here they will get separate. Okay, so this will become new daughter cell, and this will become new daughter cell. These two become new daughter cells. Okay, so this is the cell furrow method, where there will be formation of furrow. This is called as what? Furrow, or that is your constriction. Okay, so our finger like projection that form inside the cytoplasm. Due to that continuous contraction, both the membrane meet at the point, and from that point they will get separated, and they will give rise to two daughter cell. So this is the cell furrow method. Okay, so let me write this information here. What happened here actually? Below the plasma membrane, there is presence of microfilaments which contracts with membrane from both sides, from opposite side. When this contraction go on increase, when this contraction go on increase, they meet at a point. They meet at a point and get separate to form two daughter cells. Two daughter cells. Okay, so this is the cell furrow method. Then what happens in case of our cell plate method? Okay, the cell furrow method in case of your animal cell, that is quite easier method. But when we see the cell plate method, let's see what happens in the cell plate method. Cell plate method, that is in plant cell. Okay, so let's see here in case of your plant cell what happens. Suppose this is one plant cell. The plant cell have the cell wall. This is the cell wall. And inside that there is presence of our plasma membrane. This is the plasma membrane. Okay, so at the end of the karyokinesis, we got two nucleus on both sides. Here this is one nucleus in this side, and here this is another nucleus in this side. So here there will be our the chromatin material, and the nucleolus is present here. Everything is present here. So what happened in case of your cytoplasmic division? The Golgi bodies Okay, inside the cytoplasm there is presence of our Golgi bodies, and these Golgi bodies comes to bind at the, or they aggregate at the center. Suppose these are the Golgi bodies, they aggregate at the center. Okay, so here in this process, what happened? The Golgi bodies aggregate or accumulate at the center. Okay, so first of all, aggregate this Golgi bodies aggregate and form a film like structure. Okay, so this is a very thin film, patla gote layer te formation hela due to the accumulation of the number of Golgi bodies here. Okay, and below this membrane there will be formation of below this thin film there will be formation of the membrane. Okay, here there will be deposition of the phospholipids as well as proteins, and these phospholipids and protein now they are moving towards, in the cytoplasm there is presence of your phospholipid as well as proteins, and these phospholipids as well as the protein they move towards this thin film and they make the plasma membrane. So this is the plasma membrane. Okay, so this plasma membrane that is formed by accumulation of phospholipids and proteins. Basically these are the main part, and they will make this around this thin film. Okay, next what will happen? So if you see these Golgi bodies secretes calcium pectate. From this Golgi bodies there will be secretion of calcium pectate and magnesium pectate. Okay, so here there will be addition of calcium pectate and magnesium pectate from this Golgi bodies part. So here there will be accumulation of the calcium pectate and magnesium pectate, because when they get aggregate, this layer that is formed by your accumulation of the Golgi bodies, this layer becomes solidified. तार solidification होचे, and जेतेबेले solidification होचे, due to that solidification what will happen from the Golgi bodies, there will be secretion of calcium pectate and magnesium pectate, and this calcium pectate and magnesium pectate that are the part of the middle lamella. These are the part of middle lamella. Okay, so middle lamella कहा कि कहूँ जेतेबेले मैं सेल वॉल पढ़ुतला, सेल वॉल के किछटा लेयर रे डिवाइड करतला सबुथुरु मिडिल लेयर जेंटा कि मिडिल लामेला बोली कि कहूतला. मिडिल लामेला अराउंड रे जेन लेयर थिला एटा होचे हमर प्राइमरी वॉल, एंड प्राइमरी वॉल पर हमर थिला सेकेंडरी वॉल. ओके, तो एटा हला हमर मिडिल लामेला. याडे गोटे सेल अच्छे, याडे गोटे सेल अच्छे. मिडिल लामेला क्या करुचे, ई सेल के और ई सेल के, हियर देयर विल बी प्रेजेंस ऑफ वन सेल and here there will be presence of one cell, and both the cells are joined with the help of the layer that is called as middle lamella, and same middle lamella जेतेले देखमा middle lamella रे थिसे हमर calcium pectate and magnesium pectate. तो हमर जे layer पहला बनला, this is our middle lamella formation होचे. इना हमर काना formation होचे, middle lamella formation होचे. Okay, so this middle lamella is formed from the Golgi bodies. When this Golgi bodies secrete what? Golgi bodies जेतेले secrete करचे calcium pectate and magnesium pectate. ସେମାନେ କାଣା କରୁଛନ୍, they will make the middle lamella, एंड मिडिल लामेला रु पोरे हमर काना फॉर्मेशन हवा मिडिल लामेला रु हमर प्राइमरी वॉल एंड सेकेंडरी वॉल रो फॉर्मेशन हवा ई पार्ट रु हमर प्राइमरी वॉल एंड सेकेंडरी वॉल रो फॉर्मेशन हवा ओके तो प्राइमरी वॉल एंड सेकेंडरी वॉल फॉर्मेशन हवा एंड लोअर साइड रे देखो सपोज इटा हला हमर मिडिल लामेला तार तले अछि हमर काना सेल मेम्ब्रेन अछि इटा हला हमर सेल मेम्ब्रेन इटा हला सेल मेम्ब्रेन इटा हला मिडिल लामेला तो ई साइड रे डिपोजिशन हबा हमर सेल वॉल रो मटेरियल जेंटा कि सेलुलोज रो डिपोजिशन हबा एंड ई साइड रे सेलुलोज रो डिपोजिशन हबा एंड ई साइड रे हमर हबा आ गुटे सेल रो प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन ओके so that here there will be formation of the our cell membrane and here there will be formation of our cell membrane and in between these two cell membrane there will be formation of the cell wall but cell wall जेतबले formation होचे first layer हमर formation हबा काना that will be formed by formation of your middle lamella the first layer of formation of middle lamella and middle lamella रू पछे का formation of our primary wall and secondary wall पहला हमर primary wall formation हबा but जेतले सेल टा ग्रो करबा and older हेतल जिबा सेतबेले हमर सेल टा केन के कन्वर्ट हबा हमर सेल टा कन्वर्ट हबा secondary wall लेके okay so after the formation of this cell plate here there is formation of a plate like structure जेहेतु प्लेट लाइक स्ट्रक्चर सॉलिडिफिकेशन होचे सेति लगी ताकि कहै छै सेल प्लेट सेल रे गुटे प्लेट लाइक स्ट्रक्चर टे फॉर्मेशन होचे एट द मिडिल सेति लई ताकि कहै छै सेल प्लेट बोली करी तो काना काना हला सेल प्लेट रे गोल्गी बॉडीज सब जाई करी एग्रीगेट कले एंड से गोल्गी बॉडीज रो कैल्शियम पैक्टेट मैग्नीशियम पैक्टेट रो सिक्रेशन हबार द्वारा सेनु काना फॉर्मेशन हला मिडिल लामेला फॉर्मेशन हला एंड मिडिल लामेला रो अराउंड रे हमर प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन रो फॉर्मेशन हला जेंटा कि by the accumulation of phospholipids and proteins इरा देखि जो phospholipids this is the phospholipids इरा हमर phospholipids माने ई phospholipids they will comes to arrange around this middle lamella or that cell plate around रे मनकर arrangement हबा and they will make the plasma membrane okay तापरे इरा middle lamella हला परे middle lamella part रो हमर फिर secretion हबा हमर काना there will be secretion of the cell wall material and here there will be deposition of the cell wall and here there will be deposition of the cell wall okay so this is the cell plate method and this structure that is called as cell plate रही कहू जामे cell plate बोली करी कहू छु okay so this is the process by which this process is occurring and there will be formation of two daughter cell in case of your plant cell after the nuclear division न्यूक्लियस रे डिवीजन हिसाला पर साइटोप्लाज्म रे प्रोसेस रे डिवीजन एकरी दुईटा नुवा डॉटर सेल फॉर्मेशन होचे सो दिस विल बी बिकम बोथ ऑफ दिस सेल्स विल बिकम द डॉटर सेल्स ओके इटा हला हमर सेल प्लेट मेथड ओके नेक्स्ट हमें देखमा मियोसिस काना होचे ओके सो join again author join करा so that meiosis start करना
बुकल पर सेल प्लेट